Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show y'all another open box video. I know I did the last video that I did during that day. I had got me a MacBook laptop, the Air, the M2. I got that. I got that like around on the 24th so of May. When after I had made that video, I got a message, I think the other day, I think it was doing, what day was it, 28th? I think it was the 28th, and I had got it saying that it's already at the store because I ordered it. And so yeah, I had got it, and now I want to make another open box video. And also I'm gonna set it up of my laptop, of the new one, my first MacBook laptop. If y'all new, hi, this is Tiffany and this is my YouTube channel. I post videos and I show different things, or it might be open box or anything, my reactions, fashion, hair, chit-chatting, listen to music probably sometimes. Oh, here on my second channel, you go and subscribe on there too. That'd be up here and also in the description box. On here, subscribe and click the bell notification so you don't miss out none of my videos. And share, like my videos, go watch my last videos too, and follow my social medias, that be in the description box. But let's get started. And so I show y'all the unboxing of the video that I did. Okay, so here it goes. I get ready to open this. So this is my my first ever MacBook Air. So I did this like last night. I had recorded this filming this and showing y'all. That was on May the 31st, yeah, if y'all see it. So right here, if y'all see it, let's open it. Let's get it, open it. I was so excited to open this. It was like awesome. I know I'd be seeing a lot of videos of these on YouTube, but it was really awesome to open it. So yeah. But another thing, if y'all see that cord, the charger, I heard that on here, some people on YouTube said that the cord is a little different because last time when they had another one, the cord was a little different. So, but with this, oh wow, this is like really, I like the color. It's like the midnight, if I'm right. But yeah, the cord's kind of different from, they said the old one was a little different from that. So, and it do attach like it's a metal attaching on it onto the, when you charge it up. That's the booklet, a little booklet that tells you about it and everything if you see it. After, yeah, I'm probably gonna see the charger thing that goes on there. I can't think of what it. But I'm just gonna let y'all let this play and show y'all on here. And so yeah.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Oh wow. What is that? That's just, oh, that's what that is. I keep it like that. You want to have it black or have it automatic or dark? Okay, that's kind of hard. That's what I do it later. It's kind of, I just keep it like that. Vision. Okay, so all this stuff y'all see, it's like telling you what to do. You want to have these on your on this laptop, on this Mac laptop, if you want to have these on here. But this is my first time using, so I decided to leave some of the stuff like it is. But if I want to, I could go back whenever on the settings if I want to change it. But that's what it's showing. If you already know or some don't know, this is what it's showing on there. I already check all that. All right, now I gotta put my Wi-Fi on here. If y'all see something like this and it asks you to, like, if you got a Windows PS, I have a Windows Windows PC. This is my first Mac, so I don't really need to, because the PC laptop I have, I don't really like. I get on it sometimes and stuff like that, but so I'm just gonna say not now. Just type in my Apple ID. So I gotta type that in and put that in. So it's asking me, I gotta like create. Sorry about this new iPhone I got, iPhone 12, 13. It's saying I gotta create a computer account. So this is my first time ever. I'm excited, but I'm gonna do that, and it's probably gonna take me a while to do this and get this done to kind of set up. So after that, I'll be done with this. I'm just letting y'all know. I don't know, can you zoom that in? Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, sent a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Siri,
play some music. Siri, play some music.
Okay, so that out. Siri is ready. Okay. Okay, so if you already saw it, that I had show y'all a little bit of, it's kind of like short a little bit. I did that yesterday. I kind of opened it during yesterday at showing y'all the setup, because I didn't want to make it too long, because I know there's a lot of videos of that on here on YouTube of that. I saw some videos of it that people had show set up and stuff. I'm like, oh my god, this is like so. I kind of decided to get this. I was gonna get the pink one. I said, I don't know, but still it's still gonna get prints on it anyway if I got the pink one too. But I decided I got this because it's kind of like this color. So yeah, I got this one. This, oh god, dog. I ain't about to drop my laptop. No, I hit my my table thing right here. Y'all probably saw it shaking. It's my table thing, but sorry, I'm sorry. But it's a little heavy, a little bit. It's a little different from my PC laptop. I think the size is a little different. My PC thing is a 14 inches or 15. But I'm gonna show y'all. I think y'all probably didn't hear it open. So let me show y'all. Oh, what? I forgot I didn't turn it off. My bad. I forgot I had went with my mom and brother, went to Rally's, got something to eat on. But yeah, I kind of decided to get this background. It's my favorite color, purple, and has my name, y'all see. And I had to set it up and, you know, put the Wi-Fi on it. And also I gotta get used to this one, because on a PC you use numbers, but with this one you use like a word password. So I had to get used to memorize it, my password and stuff. And at first yesterday I forgot the password. I messed up something on it. I had to reset it, the password again. This size, the 13 inch. I really didn't want no 15 inches. 15 inches because it costs more. So this is my first one. I got the $999, so you know, with the taxes, with the warranty, and also how many storage you want. Like I think I got the 5. Did I get the 5 or 200 storage? Y'all probably see that. I would tell you I don't want to make this part too long, but yeah, I kind of got some prints on it already onto it. I already had cleaned it at first with this. So if you got prints on it or something like that, you could use this to kind of clean it off. It's like for us. Also, I'm gonna get a case for it, put a case on it to kind of cover it up so I don't put my fingerprints and stuff. So I'm gonna get the, also I'm gonna give me a mouse for it too, because I don't want to be using my finger on my mouse on the tablet touch. So this is my PC laptop. It's the HP that I got. So the size is so different from each other. I feel like it's kind of heavy. So y'all probably see the size different. See the size? It's different. If you do get this, save your money. Don't get it if you are starting out as a YouTuber or you're not using it for being a YouTuber. Just save your money. Don't just like get it right then. Save it, save it, save it, and pay your bills first. And after that, get by. Do later. That's what I did. Pay your bills first and get the stuff after. That's the best way right there. But I just want to show y'all a little bit of that and tell y'all about it. And so I will give y'all an update of it. I know it's not that quite that long, or if it is, I hope I don't be that long. If you enjoyed this video, just like it, comment below what MacBook laptop you have and what you review about it. Tell me in the comments about your first time getting a Mac laptop, because this is my main first one. You start using to edit my YouTube videos too on here on my main channel and also on my vlogging channel. So I think my videos gonna get much better if I keep up making videos every week. I'm gonna try to. If I don't, it might be every 2 weeks whenever I probably. But like I said, subscribe and click the bell notification. Share this video and like it. Like I said, follow my social media, they'll be in the description box, and go and subscribe to my second channel. That'll be in the description box too. It'll be up here too. But I see y'all in my next video, and go check out my last video too. Bye y'all.